And then the policies, I will give it EC2 full Amazon EC2 full access, tag review, call it role 2. Then I create the role. So if I come back here and they stop provisioning and they will try to start provisioning again and refresh, show me 2 roles. So now I will go to users and then add user I will choose this user, select, we try to refresh. So I will select the user to select it and then select the role. As you can see, I have 2 roles, role 1 and role 2. You can select, you can choose 2, does not matter, and then I will select and then I will assign. So once that user I have assigned it, I will go to the Edge, Microsoft Edge, and then I will type my apps.microsoft.com, and then I will add the credentials of that user. We'll go to Home, Active Directory, Users, User 2, we'll copy that, its email, sorry, and paste that here. I will connect with another email, I will paste that here, Azure 2, let me come back my enterprise applications, scroll down, then check the users. I have here Azure user 2, then provide the password, and here you will have your application that's appearing here, AWS single sign-on. You can click on that, and then in this single sign-on you can only provide your credentials here and connect to your AWS resource. It is the same steps as the previous one. All what you have to do is to install this single sign account access extension here, and it will take you as well to your directory where you have already access to the S3 bucket. So now I will jump to another step, or to another section, is on how you can create or how you can manage your AWS managed Microsoft Active Directory. So I have already launched a directory here, and it must be ready for now. Yes, I hope. Yes, now it is ready, and all what I have to do is to get into it and check it, and then application management, so you have to create this role. I will show you how you can create it. So for that, let me go to roles. If I choose AWS Power Access User, so you will go to create role, and this time we will choose an AWS service entity and scroll down and look for AWS directory service here, and then give it permissions, and in the permissions we need power user access, then click on tag review, and then give it a name, and by default it will appear in here. Another role we have to create is a role that will enable our instance to join this domain, and to allow my instance to join the domain, I have to create another role, and then choose EC2 instance, new permission, and I have to choose two permissions, Amazon SSM, the Amazon SSM directory service access, and then the Amazon SSM managed instance core as well. Then click on the tag and review. I have already have a role for that, so I have just showed you how you can create that role for yourself, or for your instance, that you wanted to join to your domain. So it is EC2 join domain. We try to go permissions. So this is the permission I have told you to use. Now what I have to do now is launch a Windows server and try to connect to your Active Directory. Let me come here and then enable my AWS Management Console. And now let me come back here and go to instance service. And then launch a Windows Server 1819.